In this video, we'll take you through the process of how we flood test a wet room, ensuring long-lasting protection. The first step is the correct installation of the waterproof membrane. Once the membrane is installed, we seal the drain to prepare for the flood test. The wet room is then filled with water, and we take a precise measurement of the water level to establish a baseline. Over the next 24 hours, we closely monitor the area for any signs of leakage or water loss. After the test period, we confirm the water level remains the same, indicating a fully tanked wet room. Once the flood test is complete, we drain the water and the room is ready for tiling. With our expert installation and thorough flood testing, we guarantee your wet room will stay watertight for years to come. Contact us today for professional wet room installations and peace of mind guaranteed.